That cop's still behind me, but I'm about to knock out this daily 100 and show you guys if I'm about that life. Should I do it? The amount of swagger you have riding this bike. If I see lights behind me, I'm not gonna lie to you, YouTube, I'm about to go from Tallahassee to Mexico real quick if I see lights. Oh no, I don't want to be caught at the red light. That cop's gonna be like, skirt, skirt. Oh, that cop is right there. I am kind of fucked. I am fucked. I don't have my wallet on me. Oh, the cop's behind me. I don't want to run. I got you. I'm gonna go right here. Ah, YouTube. Do it for the YouTube. Ugh. I was being stupid.
Yeah, pretty much it, man. You got your driver's license, vehicle registration?
I don't have my driver's license on me right now.
Why don't you have your driver's license?
It's in my car. I was just going for a quick little ride. I'm endorsed and everything. Insurance, full covered.
You got your registration for the motorcycle?
Yeah.
You ran a stop sign. I swear to God, if I had radar, I'd write you for that ticket because I know that you were hauling ass. Okay, that's why I called it to you. Okay, but I had to do 120 just to catch up to you. Okay, and when I called up to you, you were still doing at least 70. Okay, you've been honest with me. You've been cool. You stopped. Okay, so I'm not going to punish you for that. Okay, you need to take this back to the house now, wherever you came from. Get back in whatever other vehicle you got that actually has good registration on it. Keep your driver's license on you at all time. I'm just. Listen, man, my job's not to write tickets. FHP's is. If FHP would have got you today, you'd catch all these tickets. They give you a ticket for not having your driver's license. You don't have the registration for the they hit you with that. So, like I say, please use this as a good learning experience today. I got better shit to do than write tickets for bullshit. Okay, that's not my intention. Please, don't drive like that. That's how people get killed. Okay? Don't like people on motorcycles because of how they drive like that. So don't reinforce that that's how all those people are, okay? I try not to think they are, okay? But when I see people drive like that, it upsets me, okay? Because people in cars can't drive like that, and if they do, bad things happen to them. So get back on it, head back to the house, get your other vehicle, whatever that may be, all right?
YouTube, that was probably the coolest cop I've ever had to deal with, being that stupid in my life.
Fuck. Please don't get me. He's coming. I knew it. Actually, here.
Hey, good evening. Officer for Mexican, please. Reason to stop you is speeding 42 and a 30. You have your license and registration?
Yes. Actually, my registration is in my backpack. Is that alright?
Is it registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it Arrowhead your current address?
Sorry?
Is Arrowhead your current address?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, get pulled over for first time. Hello.
Sergeant Ramsey, Lake County Police Department.
Yep.
The reason I stopped you is you got no plate on your bike.
Yep, brand new bike. Not yet, I just picked it up on Saturday. Oh.
Okay. Okay, is that your current address there on Mars?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork for the bike?
Not yet. The bank hasn't got it to me yet. So.
You don't have anything from the dealership at all?
I do at home, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. I'm going to have you turn the wheel in for me. VIN number I'm looking for?
Boy, I'm not sure.
One of the sides.
Oh, there it is right there.
Okay. Oh, yep, there it is. Okay. I didn't see it at first.
Yep.
Okay. Don't they give you a little thing anymore at the dealership? For,
I bought it in Minnesota, so they're kind of waiting for the paperwork to come through on it.
Okay.
So, and it was such a nice day out, I just decided to ride it. So.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Everything else is valid.
Yep.
Okay. Can you take your helmet off for me, quick?
You bet.
All right. Let me go check this out, and I'll be right back with you. Okay.
Sounds good.
Right. There's that back.
Okay, thank you.
Looks like a fast one.
Yeah, it is. It's. I'm gonna race it this year. So.
Okay. Where do you do that at?
Probably. I'm gonna probably do a Rock Falls. Probably drag race it. And,
Okay. That's pretty neat.
oh yeah.
Big motor on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So everything checked out. It looks like when I ran the plate or the VIN number, it showed that it says ready to pay, whatever that means. So I'm sure the DMV's might wait for their money.
Yep.
Check from the dealer then.
Yep. What I guess there's I think they call it MOS, and as soon as the dealer gets that, he should have got it yesterday and then mailed it to me today. So I'm hoping it's in my mailbox tonight. Then I take that to the bank, and then they'll send it in, and then it should be everything should be on the book. So.
Okay. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah. You too.
Oh, that's a cop. Yeah, oh shit, I'm getting pulled over. Oh shit. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
That's what she said.
Oh gosh. How did I know this was gonna come?
Hello.
Hello.
Why are you in such a hurry? You know what fast you're going?
I do not.
84 was your height.
Oh.
I've had a lot higher on motorcycles.
Oh, okay.
Still high.
Yeah.
You have your driver's license with you?
I do.
I'm going to hand you these two things back. I'm hanging on to these for right now.
Sounds good.
Stay by the cycle. You have to get back on. I'll be right back.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, Jonathan. Not the best news. Cited for your speed. I always go with the lowest. 83 was your lowest, okay? There is a court date. It is not mandatory that you go, okay? It's only if you want to fight the citation. Points, fee, this is the smallest citation you can receive in a 70-mile-an-hour zone. All right, do you have any questions for me?
So I got the 4 points off, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have anything on your record right now?
I think I do.
Okay, so then you'd only be at 8.
Okay.
So don't get any more.
Yeah, because it's 12, right?
You hit 12, you lose them.
Yeah.
But you have to remember now you've gone to court, and so then I know, so stop speeding.
Yeah, I know.
I was going to talk to him about points, but at this point you're all right.
Yeah, okay.
All right?
Alrighty, guys, thank you.
You bet.
Hey guys, this is your boy Matty Cycles, and we are getting pulled over right now. See the blue lights behind me? Yeah, kinda sucks.
You guys are all set. I'm not going to give you a lot of grief. I appreciate I didn't think you were going to pull over.
Oh no.
I thought you were probably going to run.
Oh, never. Never. No, we're both, we're realtors in the area.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
We sell real estate.
Okay. Alright.
We're okay guys, I swear.
I know that. When you were traveling side by side there, I'm like, they're probably just going to take off.
Oh no.
Alright, you're all set.
I appreciate it. Have a good day.
Hello, officer.
Sorry, sir.
Good.
Sir, it's not because you're speeding back down Narrow Highway.
Oh, I was? I'm so sorry. What's up?
You have a license with you?
Yeah, I do. It's in my backpack, and yeah. Let me turn off my bike. I'm really sorry, officer.
What kind of bike is this?
It's a FZ07 Yamaha.
What year is it? Nice.
2016. I'm gonna reach into my backpack to get my wallet.
you on probation or parole for anything?
What?
Are you on probation or parole for anything?
No.
The wheels come like that, or you did that to your wheels?
The little.
The color? They already came like that?
Oh yeah, that's stock.
Alright, so sit tight, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, officer.
Here you go, sir. Just have a good night, okay? Just
Alright.
slow down a little bit, alright?
Alright, sorry, officer.
No worries.
Thank you.
Lunatic, goddamn, I'm a lunatic.